Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Now I am going to show you simple way to create passport photos by one click using actions. First of all, let's create action to achieve passport photo by one click. For that, just go to window menu and click actions. Action window opened now. Just click on create new action button to create new action. Name it passport and click on record button. Now it's started to record all process. After that, go to image menu and click on image size. Set resolution to 300 pixel per inch and change height to 4.5 centimeters. Passport photo size is 3.5 centimeters width and 4.5 centimeters height. So we have to change canvas width to 3.5 centimeters. For that, again to image menu and this time click on canvas size. Then set width to 3.5 centimeters. This is the passport size photo. Now just click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. Then double click on the right side of the layer to open blending options. Select stroke from blending options, then set size to 15 pixels and change color to white. Make sure your position should be inside. Then select inner shadow and set opacity to 100%. Distance should be 0 and change choke to 100%, then change size to 16 pixels. I have applied 16 pixel shadow. But we can see only 1 px shadow here. Why we can see only 1 pixel shadow is we applied 15 pixel stroke here. You can see 16 pixel shadow when you untick the stroke. Now right click on the layer and apply rasterize layer style to merge the layer styles. Again double click on the layer to open blending options. Now select stroke and change size to 1 pixels. Position must be inside. Change color to gray. Again right click on the layer and click on the rasterize layer to merge the layer styles. Now select all from select menu and copy it. Go to file menu and click new to create new page. Then select A4 page size under print options. Change orientation to landscape. Then paste it. Select all area and align it to top left corner. Then duplicate it using Alt key. Now select all layers using Move tool, then right click on the layer and click the merge layers. Then duplicate again using Alt key. Once again select all layers using Move tool and merge it. Now select all using Ctrl and A and align it horizontally and vertically center. Now let's stop this action. All process is finished now. You can use this action to create passport photo. I will show you how to use this action. First let's select the action what we created now named as passport. Then select another document which we want to create passport photo. Now just click on the play button and wait a moment. Passport photos created automatically. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.